Okay, boys and girls, we are going to look real quick at irregular plurals, so please watch the following video.
How do you know whether a noun is singular or plural? In this lesson, you will learn how to form irregular plural nouns by asking yourself if the noun sounds right in the sentence. Let's review. A noun is a person, place, or thing. Here's a man. A common mistake is that people add s or es to a singular noun to form the plural. But not all plural nouns are formed that way. So if you add an s, you'd get mans, and that's not a word. If you add es, you get mains. That's not the plural of man. The correct form of the plural noun is men. Now, a singular noun refers to one person, place, or thing. A plural noun refers to two or more people, places, or things. In this lesson, when you're deciding if the plural noun is formed correctly, ask yourself, does the word sound right in the sentence? Two fishes swam in the blue pond. Does that sound right? That sentence doesn't sound right. What about two fish swam in the blue pond? That sounds right, and that sounds a lot better. So, one rule is that some singular nouns do not change their spelling when you form the plural. The cat had 9 lives. Does that sound right? The cat had 9 lives. Does that sound right? That second sentence sounds a lot better to me. That one sounds right. So here's another rule. If a singular noun ends in an F or an FE, change the F to a V and add ES to form the plural. Now here's another example. The gooses laid golden eggs. Does that sound right? Let's take a look at another one. The geese laid golden eggs. That one sounds a lot better. Some singular nouns change their spelling to form the plural. So we went from goose to geese. In this lesson, you have learned how to form irregular plural nouns by asking yourself if the noun sounds right in the sentence.
Okay, boys and girls, now we're going to look real quick at a few of the rules. First, on top, if you'll notice I'm highlighting nouns that change vowel sounds. For example, you have man to men, such as the brave men ran to the rescue. Then you have goose to geese or mouse to mice. Again, listening as the vowel sound in the middle of the word changes. Next rule, nouns that don't change at all. For example, you have fish to fish. There were several fish in the basket. Deer to deer, as well as sheep to sheep. Then we just have plain others. Others can include child to children, as in the children stayed after school to practice. Ox to oxen, person to people. And last, we have nouns that end in F, FE. You're going to change the F to a V and add ES, such as knife to knives. Okay, real quick lesson we've gone over. Now we're going to assign a homework page. If you will please take a sheet of paper, and all you need to do is write 4 irregular nouns, one for each of the rules that you have looked at above. Again, write 4 irregular nouns, one for each of the rule you've learned, and use each in a sentence. Remember, each noun should follow one of the rules above. So as you're going through your homework, you are going to create a noun that fits in this category. Then you will create a noun that fits in this category. You will use a noun in this category, as well as this category. Do not use the nouns that are on this sheet of paper. I want you to find your own nouns that follow these rules to use.